Hey iPhone users, welcome to Eassiy Official. Have you ever received a message like mine that said passcode required? You need to change your iPhone unlock passcode right now. What does this mean? Don't worry, it's usually not serious. Here are the causes and solutions. Check and apply the relevant solutions. Why and how to change your iPhone unlock passcode. Reasons to change your iPhone unlock passcode. Regular updates improve security against unauthorized access, especially for simple codes. Change it immediately if you suspect someone knows it. Some workplaces and apps require updates, and iOS may prompt you to change it if security risks are detected. Reason 1. Use of weak passcode. A weak passcode can seriously compromise your iPhone's security. Simple patterns like 12340000 or something similar are easy to guess, allowing unauthorized users access to your device and personal information. Fix 1. Change your passcode to a strong one. To change your passcode, respond to the passcode prompt on your screen and click Continue. Follow the instructions to set a new, stronger passcode using a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Make sure to complete all steps until your passcode is updated successfully. Reason 2. MDM profile enrollment. Organizations often require mobile device management, or MDM profile enrollment, to secure and manage employee devices. Enrolling your iPhone in an MDM profile enables your organization to configure settings, monitor compliance, and manage apps remotely. Fix 2. Remove MDM. If MDM is causing the password prompt on your iPhone, consider deactivating the MDM profile. You can proceed in 2 ways depending on whether you have the MDM credentials or use MDM bypass tools. Case 1. If you have the credentials. If you know the username and password for the MDM on your iPhone, here's how to get rid of it. Open up your settings and tap on General. Scroll down to VPN and device management and click on that to move forward. Choose the MDM profile you want to delete and hit Remove Management. Just enter the needed info when the prompt pops up. Case 2. You don't know the credentials. Passixer iPhone Unlocker makes it super easy to remove MDM profiles from iPhones without any credentials. It works with all iOS versions and won't mess with your data. It can also unlock screens, get rid of Apple IDs, and bypass the iCloud activation lock on secondhand devices. Just hop on our official website to download the software and open it up on your computer. In the main screen, click on Remove MDM to get started. Grab a USB cable and connect your iPhone to your computer. Once that's set up, hit the Start Removing button under Work Properly and then click Start when the prompt comes up. If you've got Find My turned off, MDM removal will kick off right away. If it's still on, Passixer will guide you on how to turn it off. Follow those steps, and then the software will dive into the MDM removal. When everything's finished, you won't see that password requirement error anymore. Reason 3. Microsoft Exchange email account. Microsoft Exchange email accounts often have specific security requirements, including the need for a strong passcode. This is to ensure the security of your email and the data stored on your device. Fix 3. Delete Exchange email account. Open the Settings application on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Passwords and Accounts. In older iOS versions, this section may be labeled Mail or Mail, Contacts, Calendars. Choose the Exchange account that you wish to remove. Confirm that you want to delete the account. By doing this, the account and all its related data will be erased from your iPhone. Reason 4. Safari security issues. Safari, like any web browser, can have security vulnerabilities that put your personal data at risk, such as malicious websites exploiting bugs or cross-site scripting attacks. Fix 4. Clear Safari history and data. Clearing your Safari history and data can help solve security issues and enhance browser performance. Start by tapping on the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and select Safari. Then, scroll down, tap on Clear History and Website Data, and confirm your choice to clear the history and data. This action will remove your browsing history, cookies, and other related data. Reason 5. iOS complications. iOS complications can arise from various issues such as software bugs, compatibility problems, or outdated apps. These complications can affect the performance and security of your device. Fix 5. Update iOS and apps. Make sure your iPhone is updated to the most current version of iOS. Apple regularly issues updates that contain bug fixes and security enhancements. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Select General, then tap Software Update to look for and install any updates that are available. Additionally, ensure that all your apps are current to prevent compatibility problems. Open the App Store app on your iPhone. Tap your profile icon in the upper right corner, then scroll down to view any available updates. Press Update All to refresh all apps. Everything is here. I hope you understand. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Your support is very important to us.